Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chevy Impala faster. Begin by assessing your current engine's health and identifying any maintenance needs, as a strong foundation is crucial. Next, focus on enhancing the engine's ability to breathe more efficiently, which directly impacts power output. We will then delve into advanced modifications that can dramatically increase horsepower and torque, transforming your vehicle's acceleration and overall performance capabilities. Improving your Impala's breathing is a fantastic first step. A high-quality cold air intake system allows your engine to draw in cooler, denser air, which contains more oxygen for combustion. Pair this with a performance exhaust system, which reduces restrictive back pressure, letting exhaust gases escape more freely. Together, these modifications can yield a noticeable increase in horsepower, often between 5 and 15 horsepower, making your Impala feel more responsive and eager to accelerate. For the most dramatic power increase, consider an engine tune and forced induction. An ECU tune customizes your engine's parameters, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing for peak performance. Even more significantly, adding a supercharger or turbocharger forces more air into the engine, leading to substantial horsepower gains. These systems can boost your Impala's power by 100 to 200 horsepower, transforming its acceleration and making it truly fast. With significant power increases, it's crucial to upgrade your drivetrain components. A stronger transmission and differential will reliably handle the added horsepower and torque. Consider changing your final drive ratio for quicker acceleration, trading some top-end speed for impressive launch capability. Also, reducing vehicle weight by even 100 pounds can noticeably improve your power-to-weight ratio. Finally, always upgrade your brakes and suspension to safely manage the newfound speed and enhance overall control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.